Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
This video, I am going to share latest job openings in Vijayawada location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are job openings available from Sri Vasavi Institute of Engineering and Technology. It is located in Krishna district. So they are looking for highly qualified and experienced faculty for the posts of assistant professors and associate professors for CSE, ECE departments, and also for the subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and they are also looking for technical trainer for programming and coding. So you can attend to the interview on 28th March 2021 Sunday at 10 a.m. to the provided address details. So you can check with the address details provided above here. So you have to attend to the interview to the provided address, and they are also looking for lab technicians for mechanical, civil, and also for programmers for CSE department. So you should attend to the interview on 30 March 2021. So it should be Tuesday at the SVIET campus, Nandamuru. So candidates must bring all the certificates, original certificates, along with one set of photocopies related to qualification and experience, and two passport photos are needed. So interested candidates, you can check with all the details provided here, and you can also check with the address details provided here. Next, there are openings from Andhra Pradesh Information Commission. It is located in Amaravati. So this is the website link, official website link. You can also check in the website link for these notifications, and applications are invited from the eligible candidates having good experience in office administration for the post of secretary, and also for the post of assistant secretary. For secretary position, salary will be 56,000 to 1,05,000 rupees, and for assistant secretary position, salary will be 46,000 to 98,000 rupees per month in the APIC. So the candidates should be either in service and deputation basis or from retired government employees of an equivalent rank on contract basis for initial period of 1 year. So it will be a contract basis for initial period of 1 year. So interested candidates, you can submit your biodata with the latest photo to the Secretary Law APIC on and before 9th April 2021 till 4 p.m. So for more detailed information about these job notifications, you can check in the official website link, that is www.sic.ap.gov.in. Next, there are some openings available from MIC College of Technology. It is an autonomous college located in Krishna district. So walk-in interviews will be held for various faculty positions in the following disciplines. So they have openings for following positions for the particular disciplines are mentioned here. Um, Firstly, there is a job opening for professor or associate professor or assistant professor. It is for CSE, ECE, EEE, mechanical and civil departments. So for this, qualification will be PhD or MTech with first class. So you have to attend to the interview on 27th March 2021 at 10 a.m. So next, there is a job opening for lecturer for diploma courses. It is for the departments of CSE, ECE, EEE, mechanical and civil. So for this, qualification will be BTech with first class. So you should also attend to the interview on 27th March 2021 at 10 a.m. Next, there are openings for assistant professors to teach maths and English subjects. For this, the qualification will be MSc or MA with first class. Next, there are openings for placement officer. and trainers for verbal aptitude, reasoning, and coding. So it is in the department of training and placement. So for these positions, qualification will be MBA or PG with the 4 to 5 years of experience is required. It is for this qualification is for placement officer, and for trainers qualification will be BTech or MBA or MA. So these candidates you have to attend to the interview on 25th March 2021 at 10 a.m. Next, at last, there are openings for assistant PDs, males and females. It is for both male candidates and female candidates for physical education. So for this qualification will be MPED. So you need to attend to the interview on 25th March 2021 at 10 a.m. So the candidates you need to bring all the originals and one set of Xerox copies of certificates, Aadhaar, PAN card, color photo and biodata. So you need to bring all these particular mentioned Xerox copies of certificates. So venue is provided here. So you need to attend to the interview to the provided address details. So for more detailed information, you can contact with the given contact numbers provided here. Next, there are job openings for teachers for a reputed CBSE school in Vijayawada. So they are looking for maths and Hindi teachers to teach 3rd to 7th classes. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9290333043. Next, there are openings for electrician and plumber for a star hotel. It is located in Vijayawada. So they have provided here the 2 contact numbers to approach them. So anyone is interested for these positions, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. Next, there are vacancies for accounts assistants. For this position, qualification will be BCom and CA. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can check with the address details and also with the contact number provided here. Next, there are vacancies for junior accountant and senior accountant positions. For junior accountant position, 2 vacancies are available and 3 years of experience is required for junior accountant position. Next, for senior accountant position, 2 vacancies are available and for this 5 years of experience is required. It is from Sri Raghavendra Transport, Kondapalli. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for more details about these job openings. The number is 7288800138. Next, there are openings from Saint Xavier English Medium High School. So they have vacancies for teachers to teach all subjects. So they need experienced trained graduates and postgraduates to teach higher classes. So the candidates should be having fluency in English and good knowledge in their subjects. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview with all the testimonials to the provided address details. You can also check with the contact numbers provided here. If you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. Next, Sri Ushodaya English Medium School is hiring for the teachers for all classes, pre-primary, primary and subject wise. And the candidates should be having good fluency in English. Graduates and postgraduates with minimum 3 years of experience is required. So qualification will be BEd, graduates with BEd or DED is preferable. So salary is negotiable for these positions. So interested candidates, you can check with the address details provided here. You can contact them with the given phone number for more details or any queries. Next, there are openings for KG and primary teachers for a well-reputed one-town school located in Vijayawada. So they have provided here the contact number to approach them. So interested candidates, you can go through with the information provided here. Next, there are openings for delivery and collection executives with good communication skills and computer knowledge is required. Qualification will be ITI and diploma. So they have provided here the contact number to approach them. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 92480 49012. Next, there are openings for English content writer and readers to work at Vijayawada office. So for this age should be below 40 years, and they are going to offer a salary for this portion is 25,000 rupees per month. So this is the phone number, and this is the email ID. So interested candidates, for more detailed information, for any clarification, so you can contact them with the given phone number, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is content writer vja@gmail.com. Next, there are openings for international semi-voice telecaller position. It is for night shift. So timings will be 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. and the starting salary will be 10,000 rupees per month. It is located in Patamata location. So they have provided here the contact number to approach them. So if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 97047 37519. Next, there are openings for telecaller and receptionist positions for a reputed college. So they need a female graduate who can speak English for these positions. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about these positions. The number is 9494988456. Next, there are openings for trainer positions to teach and for trainer and faculty positions to teach MS Office, C, Java, Python, SQL languages. So for these positions, qualifications will be BTech, MTech, MSc, MCA. So these candidates are preferred for these positions. So you can check with the details provided here, and in interested candidates, you can contact them with the given two phone numbers provided here. First number 8008169169. Second number 0866248765. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.